Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on auto upload and auto download functions on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the settings button in the upper right corner of the orange section. Tap on General. And after that, click on Upload and Download Attachments. Here you can select the auto upload and download functions. So when using cellular data for attachments in the tasks. So you can turn on these functions by clicking on the relevant button and tap on Done down below. So these functions of the app has been updated. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.